Hi, I made this demo to show a few interesting things about Bitcoin Cash and smart contracts on Bitcoin Cash. So let me log into my account. I have a very super long password, is my password. I have logged in to my mobile application for the first time. Let me change it to dark mode so it's easier to see. There will be no phone contacts for the first time, but I can easily import my phone contacts in just one click. It is important to make things super easy. Now you can see the contacts in my phone. But I don't know which of them has a Bitcoin Cash wallet. Instead of asking one by one who has a Bitcoin Cash wallet, I can use this one-click feature to find out. This also allows me to onboard all my contacts into Bitcoin Cash in one click. The wallet can allow user to change the amount to send. Doesn't need to be $1. This is just demo, so I made it simple. I am sending Bitcoin Cash to this QR code now. Payment has been sent. You can view it on the Block Explorer. Because I have 6 different contacts, there will be 6 different outputs. When someone claimed the Bitcoin Cash, the wallet will be able to know who claimed it. My contacts will be informed through WhatsApp, Telegram, WeChat, API, or SMS to claim their Bitcoin Cash. Someone has claimed the Bitcoin Cash. It's Run the Number Man. When someone claimed the tips, they will become verified contacts. Next time, I can just send Bitcoin Cash directly to their verified wallet address. In order to keep this demo short, I preloaded the conversation. Run the numbers, man. If you tried to onboard 100 friends to Bitcoin Cash but only 2 claimed your tips, then what? I am a bozo and I will never run the numbers. What do you think will happen? Nobody ever run the numbers ever in this industry. It's so ridiculous. If it starts from just one person, 1 became 2, 2 became 4, and so on through this tipping mechanism, we will reach 8 billion people in about 30 days. That's how WhatsApp grew so virally fast because the onboarding process was so frictionless. Piggybacking on the existing contacts network was a stroke of genius that made WhatsApp successful. This has the potential to 1,000 times the network effects of Bitcoin Cash within a short period of time. Moreover, once the contacts are verified, this is like Venmo Cash App, but with Bitcoin Cash. And this is only feasible when the transaction fees are cheap. This means this works for Bitcoin Cash, but you can't do this for Bitcoin or Ethereum anymore. Once you have some verified contacts, you can use AnyHedge easily. You can also see 3 new buttons appearing. You can hedge or long your Bitcoin Cash with your verified contacts. Now, everyone can be an exchange. The contact can even be a Bitcoin Cash broker. I am a merchant, so let me hedge my Bitcoin Cash to protect my money from volatility. This offer will be sent to all my verified contacts. Any one of them can accept the offer. If Bitcoin Cash price goes up, they will make money. Now, let's wait for someone to accept my offer. Since Run the Number Man is my only verified contact, let's wait for him to accept the offer. You can see he has accepted my offer. The transaction is a DeFi smart contract on Bitcoin Cash using AnyHedge, which you can see on the Block Explorer. Long BCH works the same way, except I am betting on Bitcoin Cash price to go up. It is also a DeFi smart contract on Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at some other things AnyHedge can do. One example is allowing people to lock up their Bitcoin Cash to earn interests. Developers can build such features using AnyHedge to allow people to stake their Bitcoin Cash or vote with their Bitcoin Cash, or just reduce supply to pump the Bitcoin Cash price. The advantage of Bitcoin Cash smart contracts is that they are more secure because every contract looks like a normal transaction. Even if the hacker breaks into the contract, he won't be able to steal the funds. He can only unlock the funds to be sent back to you because both the input-output wallet address are yours. The UTXO model of Bitcoin Cash also means it is regulatory friendly because the AML KYC can be done. I think governments should adopt Bitcoin Cash. I'm only scratching the surface of what AnyHedge smart contracts can do. It is up to your creativity and imagination to build new, interesting features with AnyHedge. If you want to ask technical questions about how to do this, you can contact me. I am on reddit.com/u/mob2. I want to thank John Nieri for starting AnyHedge. I want to thank Mark DeMessel for his $10,000 US tip at this link. I want to thank Jake for helping me on many things. I want to thank Roger for spreading Bitcoin Cash everywhere. I want to thank the Bitcoin Cash community for spreading Bitcoin Cash adoption and being so awesome. Thank you for making the world a better place. If you're a developer and want to know how the codes are done, feel free to reach out to me. Also, please use these ideas for your app. Let's grow Bitcoin Cash together.